Live from Ultimate Sports Cards in Las Vegas, doing a brand new live box break of 2010-11 Contenders patches. Have at it. We're going to have tandem opening here, so we'll zip through the 24 packs. Nicely done. Alright. We'll try to come in the center here so we can... Alright, we got first pack here. Ooh, something shiny. Who is it? Elton Brand insert, okay. We'll just kind of bypass all the base cards, and if there's anything worth mentioning, we'll mention it. Go for it. Shiny. Let me see. Yeah, just bunches of inserts. Who's that? Yeah, Bogut. Something. Bogut.
You got something.
Alright, we got some first hit coming up. Dun, 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 dun. Patch auto Nuggets of Gary Forbes. Yeah, I'm not big on my basketball, but who the heck is that?
I don't think he knows.
Yeah.
Wow, well, there that is.
Well, he might be more relevant now that Nuggets are missing two big players.
I still haven't heard of him. Okay, Thaddeus Young, Drew Holiday, numbered 99. So, die cut insert. James Johnson, Noah, non-die cut. Come on, pull something good here. Oh. Jason Kidd. And don't ask me to pronounce that guy. Ron Clipper. Ooh, that's good.
Favors?
Okay, Rookie of the Year Contenders. That's numbered 40 to 99. And 1-2 punch. Beasley, Johnny Flynn. I don't know about a 1-2 on that, but alright.
Yep.
Got another one?
Oh, God.
Something good, you think?
This for the Lakers.
Oh, that's what you... Oh!
Derek character.
Okay, cool.
Nice.
There's a patch auto. Alright. Nuggets, Lakers. I didn't even look at the configuration. Is it more than 2 or?
I think it's 4.
Okay. Most contenders are 4, I just wasn't sure. Cool. Alright. So we're not just stuck with those 2 then.
Yeah.
No? Alright, maybe you got some. Dear value customer. Is there a checklist?
Yes, there is.
Alright, we got rookie tickets 101.
John Wall.
Really?
Yeah.
That's John Wall.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh,
John Wall patch auto right there.
Did you get that one?
Didn't know he was redemption, but
Yeah,
awesome. That makes up for him. And there's our last one, I think.
You gonna save it?
Yeah, go for it.
I'm dealing up the bottom of the deck.
It's my patch. Daniel Orton.
Okay, help me out. Who's that?
Rookie center out of Kentucky.
Oh, he's one of the other
So, yeah.
Kentuckies? That guy.
and then
Eric Gordon, that's going to be your championship, not championship ticket, but whatever they call this. Number $2.99.
Not on that team anymore.
and then $2.99 also.
Ex-Nugget, Carmelo. And there we have it. Obviously the John Wall is huge. That's awesome. I wish it wasn't the redemption, but not complaining. There's the rest. Thanks for watching Ultimate Sports Cards.